Click on the link below to get discount. The Smart Blue Sky Ceiling Light is a remarkable innovation for anyone looking to enhance their indoor environments with the soothing ambience of natural light. This ceiling light simulates a clear blue sky, transforming dull ceilings into vibrant, uplifting spaces. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for those who are not particularly handy. The light is lightweight and comes with all necessary mounting hardware. What sets this product apart is its ability to mimic the natural progression of daylight. With adjustable brightness levels and color temperatures, ranging from a soft morning glow to a bright midday sky, it caters to various moods and activities. Whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining, this light can be customized to fit the occasion. The daylight simulation is impressively realistic. It creates an illusion of openness that makes rooms feel larger and more inviting. This ceiling light also incorporates energy-efficient LED technology, which not only helps in reducing electricity bills but also ensures a longer lifespan compared to traditional bulbs. The light emits very little heat, creating a comfortable environment without the worry of overheating, which is especially beneficial in smaller spaces. One of the standout features is the smart technology integration. The Smart Blue Sky Ceiling Light can be controlled via a mobile app or voice commands, making it incredibly convenient to adjust settings without getting up. Additionally, it can be synced with other smart home devices, allowing for a cohesive smart home experience. On the downside, some users might find the price point to be on the higher side, but considering the quality and features, it's an investment worth making. Overall, the Smart Blue Sky Ceiling Light is a fantastic addition to any room, perfect for those seeking to bring a touch of the outdoors inside. It promotes well-being and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home, making it a worthwhile consideration for anyone looking to upgrade their lighting.